Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the blue iPhone XR, and yeah, I'm actually pretty excited for this because this is kind of the color that I've been waiting for to check out, just because it's really between, for me, if I were to get the XR, it's between the blue one here and the silver. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get straight into this. I am excited. So yeah, here straight up, we're gonna get just, your documentation, the sticker, the SIM card eject tool, nothing special, the same thing we always get. And then we have the phone itself, AC adapter, earphones, lightning cable, no adapter if you want to use your normal headphones, so you do have to use these or just buy an adapter on Amazon. And yeah, let's go ahead here and remove the film. This really reminds me of checking out the Nintendo DS Lite when I got that guy in blue. I don't know why, but just reminds me of that. Big fan of blue colored devices. And you can see it there. It's definitely a baby blue. There's some pictures in the Apple promo that make it look like maybe it's a little bit darker, but it's definitely straight up super vibrant, super blue. And the side is a little bit kind of dulled down. It has a weird sheen to it. The same thing that I noticed with the yellow phone. They have like this odd sheen to it that you can see right there. It makes it shine all weird. So yeah, it kind of has that same feeling. It might just be the aluminum that they use and just kind of the look of it, but it still looks really good with the blue. I'm just a big fan of blue. And you can see there the borders or the bezels around there, how it looks with the blue. As far as the color goes, if I were to buy the XR, I actually don't think I would go with the blue. Not as big of a fan as I thought I would be going into this video. It just ended up, I mean, I kind of do like this, but again, the aluminum border is a big thing for me and I'm not a huge fan of it. I wish all of these would have just gone with maybe the same silver aluminum border that the white iPhone has. I don't know, I just really like that, and then just a different color on the back. Maybe it wouldn't look good, but that's just me just thinking here out loud. But I'm going to go ahead and set this up so we can check it out with the wallpaper that it comes with. Of course, all of these phones come with the wallpaper that it shows on the outside of the box. All right, so I've put the SIM card and everything in it, so it's ready for setup. And here, of course, you are going to get Face ID, and you can set that up when you get started. We do have to make a passcode. Just going to go over this so you can see. I didn't go over it in every single one of the videos. So set up as a new iPhone. Set up later in settings. The setup process is actually pretty long. It's gotten pretty long over the years. Let's continue here, continue. Of course, you can set up a Siri. Screen time, which is a new feature in iOS 12. True tone display. Display zoom. I like it zoomed. It's just a little bit zoomed. It's not as big of a difference as it used to be in previous years. It's just a tiny bit of a zoom, and it does make it look better, I think. And we swipe up to get started, and there you go. And it goes to black. Not sure why it's been doing that, but it looks like it's part of the new setup process. And there you have it. That is the iPhone XR. And yeah, that is how it looks. It looks pretty good. I mean, it doesn't look as good as I thought it would look. I'm being honest here. It's just good thing I didn't go straight into it. I think the best color so far is just straight up the silver. I mean, if you're wondering whether to go with one of the colors or if you should just go with silver or just straight up black, just go with straight up black or silver. I mean, the colors are really nice, but aside from everyone going for the colors, I think they're just not as nice as we actually wanted them to be. So here I'm going to grab all the colors so you guys can see, or at least all I have so far. So no red here for the comparison. And you can see them there. The backs all really look really nice. So if you like the backs and you're willing to go for it just for the backs, you can't go wrong with any color. Whatever color you like, it's gonna look really good. I think what it comes down to for me is just the not stainless steel, the aluminum sides. So based on that, I would just go either black or silver. However, if I was choosing a color just out of the actual colors, red or whatever, I would actually maybe go with that coral. Really like it. I am checking out the red in the next video, so maybe I would go with the red We'll see. I think it would probably be the red, but there you go. Those are the colors. Of course, the blue one's in the middle. There you go. It is a really nice color. So, I mean, whatever color you like straight off the bat, I think this year you can just choose it and you will like it in person. I mean, just expect to maybe for it to not be as exactly the same as you're picturing it online. I mean, for that, I recommend you check out just the color comparisons that I am going to make and upload, so that they show these devices in different lighting conditions and everything, and you can see exactly how it's going to look when it gets home. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, or you can reach out to me on Twitter at RMRDNL on Twitter. Yep, I said that already. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.